Some more features inside of Google Docs. When we go to File, again there's sharing. We can create new documents or open new documents from this window if we need to. We can still rename it from here, or you can just click on the name up here and rename it. Making a copy. When you make a copy of a document, this might be useful if you're wanting to share it with others and yet keep the original, if you have group work, for example, or if you need to share notes. All you have to document and click OK. If you did so, it might look like this, where we have a new copy to share with others, and you can add new people to that one without losing the work on the original if somebody edits it. Also under File, if you decide you don't need it, you can throw it away. We talked about seeing revision history. This one is important. If you need to download it in different formats, like a PDF, for example, you do that where it says download as. You can do it in multiple formats like Microsoft Word, RTFs, or PDF documents. If you need to email collaborators, or maybe even more importantly, email a teacher, you can email it as an attachment right from the window. You have a web clipboard just like you do in Microsoft Word, where you can save things and then paste them in. You can change what you can see in different controls, but in Insert is where we start to get to the things that you'll be more interested in, like inserting an image. You simply click Insert Image, and you can do it by snapshot on your camera. You can do it by finding the URL, let's say in a Google search, in your Google Drive, or if you already know what it is, you can just simply click it and drag it in here, or choose it from this dialog. Links, drawings, if you ever use Google Drawings, which is a way to create graphics inside Google Drive, you can insert them straight from here. Tables can be useful for you, and here's why. Google Drive doesn't actually have columns. So if you need to do it in a column format, you can kind of mimic it by doing a table, but it doesn't work incredibly well. This is where we insert comments, footnotes if you're doing special citations or documents for research papers. You can insert footnotes here. Formatting again. This is an interesting one too. Under Tools, spell check, that's pretty easy. But there's a couple of things that might be really useful, like research. Let's say I don't know what drums are. If I highlight the word drums, go to Tools, and click Research, it automatically brings up a Google search over here where it brings up drums, percussion, the Wikipedia entry for what a drum is. This could be useful if you're doing some kind of research paper. This is also where you get your word counts and different preferences on your tools. There are add-on docs. We might talk about that later, but for now those are just some of the simple and useful tools and features of a Google Doc.